Hey everybody, Jeff Joyner here, and I'm here with my wife, Kathy.
Hello.
And we are in Orlando, Florida for a conference this weekend. And you know, some of you guys know we've been doing roller coasters and theme parks and Coaster Kids now for 7 years. We've made some amazing friends. One of our amazing, generous friends gifted us some free tickets to come here today and ride the new coaster they have called Velocicoaster. I've ridden hundreds and hundreds, you have too, hundreds of coasters we've ridden. I've ridden coasters in 8 countries. And my favorite kind of coaster is made by a company called Intamin. It's a multi-launch. I rode one called Terran that's very similar to this in Germany. This one's supposed to be better. I've been really excited to ride it. So that's what this video is going to be about, is riding Velocicoaster at Universal Studios Islands of Adventure. Let's go!
And we're off! Woo.
Is assigned to you. You won't be. Millions of years to experience.
Well, we just got off Velocicoaster. That's pretty awesome. I gotta say, well, you go ahead. What do you think?
It was amazing. I mean, I don't even have words for it. I had my hands up the whole time. It was just amazing. I love launch coasters, and so the double launch was great. I like going upside down the way. I mean, I could say a bunch about it, but it was just awesome. I'm so glad I finally got a chance to ride it.
Yeah, exceeded my expectations. 2 launches, some really cool inversions, a lot of rapid transitions, comfortable restraints. Oh, here it comes behind us. So yeah, I give it 5 stars, 2 thumbs up, 5 screams on the Logan Scream scale. Really enjoyed it. So awesome. I will say it told us it was a 55-minute wait, and there was a lot of people in line, but the line moves really fast. I was impressed on how fast the line moves. All right, we're testing Kathy's Marvel knowledge. Who is that with the bathroom theme to them?
Dr. Freeze.
Dr. Freeze, that's Prince Namor the Submariner.
Okay, Namor.
All right, how about over here with his ice cream shop?
Dr. Freeze?
No, it's an X-Men. He's the Iceman.
All right, this guy.
All right.
Like a relative to Hulk.
All right, who is that right there?
Fireman. I don't know.
Fireman, it's Magneto.
Oh, that's Magneto?
Yes,
Where's his face?
he's the father
Oh,
of...
that's Magneto. I didn't know that was Magneto.
Yeah, same guy. That's him, see? He fell down, boom, boom, boom.
Okay.
He's the father of Wanda Maximoff.
That's a gremlin. Is that a gremlin up there?
Oh my goodness.
Hey, Captain America.
Hey, there you go, you got that one.
And Iron Man's above him.
All right,
And Thor's below him.
all right. Good, good. All right, who's this? It's Frank Castle, the...
Punisher.
Oh, good, you got that one. What is that?
The gauntlet.
The gauntlet? What kind of gauntlet?
The gem gauntlet.
What? The chef's gauntlet?
The gem gauntlet.
The gem
No,
goblet.
shut up.
That's the Infinity
The
Gauntlet.
Infinity.
All right, who's that up there with the adamantium claws?
Oh, that's Logan. That's Wolverine.
That's right. All right, Kathy, right here. Brie Larson.
What's her name? She's one of the America people. Captain.
She's a
Marvel.
Captain Marvel. All right, Kathy.
Dr. Octopus.
Nice. All right, Kathy, up there.
Green Goblin.
No, no, no. It's the son of Green Goblin,
Oh shoot.
the Hobgoblin.
Oh, that was close. It was Goblin.
All right, the Spider-Man, his real name is...
Peter Parker.
All right, good. All right, Kathy, what about over here? The green and yellow.
Rogue.
Oh, pretty good. All right, that is it for our day from Universal Islands of Adventure. Had an amazing time. Velocicoaster rocked our world. We loved it. Rode a bunch of fun rides. Loved the atmosphere down here. Such awesome theming. And just really had a blast. Special thanks to the person who got us some free tickets. I'd mention your name, but then everybody would start trying to hit you up for tickets, and nobody wants that. But you know who you are, and we appreciate it. So everybody have a great day. Have an epic life, and we'll catch you later.